Hi, I'm Dr. Mitchell Tepper. I am thrilled to be part of this historic, one-of-a-kind Lovabilities Festival. I want to thank Dr. Martha Lee for inviting me to participate and for the countless hours she's put into planning and organizing this event. I've been conducting research and sexuality education programs for the last 30 years. As far as I know, this is the most comprehensive and truly international conference focused on sexuality and disabilities and centering people with disabilities ever. I will be presenting Love Potion number 9, the formula for accessing the best sex of your life, on Friday, October 15th at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I will also be moderating a panel on facilitated sex and intimacy Sunday, October 17th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. In Love Potion number 9, I will be expounding on the key ingredients to magnificent sex that are free and accessible to anybody. First, trust, safety, and connectiveness. I will prove how this powerful combination has the power to transcend any physical loss and is the pathway to pleasure. Next, stop, focus, and connect. With the proper intention and the proper attention, any body part can be the source of intense arousal. Third, creativity, adaptability, and a sense of humor. Yes, if you keep sex playful and you keep sex fun, it will never become a chore. In facilitated sex and intimacy, I will be talking with a cuddlist, a sexological bodyworker, a somatic practitioner, and the founder of a company that provides sexual assistance services to people with disabilities. I hope I whet your appetite, and I look forward to seeing y'all at the Lovabilities Festival, starting October 15th and running through October 19th. We have 29 sessions and 50 presenters over a 5-day period. Go to lovabilities.org to sign up now. Scholarships are available, and no one will be turned away. I look forward to seeing you there.